so that alone. Hi, what's up? Some friends are asking me how I cloned myself in the basket case video. In this tutorial, we are gonna split the screen into 3, but obviously you can split into 2, 3, 4 or as many parts as you want. To edit videos like this, I use the program Premiere Pro. Let's look closer. First of all, you have to record the scene and import them into the timeline. The first clip, in blue, is gonna be our background, and the other clips, orange and green, will be overlapped. We need to apply an effect to cut each part, like we were doing a jigsaw. It's called crop. Inside this effect, you can crop from the left, right, top and bottom. Finally, it only remains to join our 3 pieces and it's done. Be careful with shooting in daylight or of changes in light between each shot, because you can generate a side shadow and it can easily destroy your effect. This is not a complicated thing to do. You only need to be careful not to move the camera while it is recording, and not to change any light nor any common objects between shots. Bye!